Ang isa pa pong type of lie ay lies about their whereabouts, with 60% of people admit to lying about where they are at any given time. This could be because they don't want others to know where they are, or because they want to appear more interesting than they actually are.
May ibang tao po kasi na mas gusto talaga mapag-isa po. Baka ang dahilan po ay gusto niyang gamitin yung moment na yon sa pag-iisip ng mga bagay-bagay. Ang iba naman po ay may pinagtataguan lang talaga kaya ayaw niyang ipaalam kung nasaan siya talaga. Kaya Kasani, ano po ang consequence ng lying o pagsisinungaling, maliit o malaking bagay man po yung pagsisinungaling na yon?
There are lots of consequences, kapatid Benice. Kapag ka ang isang tao po ay nagsisinungaling, maliit man po yan o malaking bagay, and one of which is it can damage trust and relationships. In a study conducted by the University of California, Santa Barbara, participants were told that their partner had lied to them, were less likely to cooperate with their partner in future interactions.
Kaya wala po talagang mabuting dulot
That's
ang
true.
pagsisinungaling sa relasyon ng tao sa kanyang kapwa, lalo na sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay.
At maging sa sarili mismo ng isang tao, kapatid na Binis, ay may negative impact po yan. Halimbawa po ay sa mental health ng isang individual. Research has found that individuals who frequently lie experience more anxiety, depression, and stress than those who are more honest.